morning, my kids. Welcome to my classroom. This is Miss Sarah with you. Today, we will learn about letter X. Say good morning to letter X. Good morning, letter X. This is a capital X and this is a small x. Repeat after me. A capital X, small x. Now, let's make the letter X sound. The sound of letter X is X, X, X. Yes, repeat after me. X, X. Let's learn some vocab about letter X. X for X-ray, X-ray. Let's continue. At the end of these words, you can listen to the sound X, X. Let's try. This is a box, box. And this is a fox, fox. Box and fox. Let's revise. X for X-ray. At the end of these words, you can listen to the sound X, X, like box and fox. Now, try to listen to the sound X, X in these words. X-ray, X, X, box, X, X, fox. Thank you. See you later.